बॉलीवुड न्यूकमर में ऐसा जोश लगता है कि he or she can rule the industry in dancing. एक ना एक बार.
Oof. Can we talk about Ishan Khattar? What is he doing?
Oh my god.
What has he done in Royals? Oh my god.
Yeah, legit.
Like low-key love, like what? Such a good dancer. But I think he's going to be super big very soon. I feel that.
Yeah. Biggest lie you have told in an interview.
ये एक बार ही बोला मैंने when I was dating already somebody, but at that time someone asked, "What's your relationship status?" I was like, I'm only committed to my work. And then मन में मैं करता था, हे भगवान झूठ बोल दिया, पापी.
So what's your relationship status?
Oh shit, single. Right now, currently, definitely single.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready to mingle?
100% yeah.
Have you ever faked vibing to someone else's track just to avoid drama?
Everyone does that. That's normal.
मैं एक नाम लूंगी और आपको उनके लिए एक वर्स गाना है या तो फिर एक छोटा सा लिरिक्स. Okay. शाहरुख खान.
शाहरुख खान. तेरा बस मुझे जीने ना दे, जीने ना दे. तेरा बस मुझे जीने ना दे.
Okay. राखी सावंत.
I love Rakhi Sawant, yaar. I love Rakhi Sawant.
I know.
Uy amma, मैं तुम्हारे के I know, sorry, I don't know the lyrics of this song.
I know.
छुई मुई से हिरनिया.
ईशान खट्टर.
ओहो, बस वाला गाना यहाँ लगाना था. गलत जगह लगा दिए क्या? Okay. पापी पापी दिल को मैं रोक न पाई, पापी पापी दिल तेरा तोड़ न पाई, पापी पापी.
दिलजीत दोसांझ.
Okay. वाइब तेरी मेरी मिल दिया, वाइब तेरी मेरी मिल दिया.
कर लो कोलैब, नेक्स्ट डे होगा. Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today I'm in conversation with this beautiful lady sitting in front of me with a beautiful voice, Astha Gill. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much, Riya. Thank you. That was such a beautiful intro.
Thank you. But firstly, congratulations for Papi. And it is like bold, आपके जो moves हैं, it is looking that sass and that gorgeous look. But like, tell me one thing कि पापी से अगर एक memory that you want to relive, जो आपकी best memory है, which is that one for you?
The best memory from the video you're asking?
Oh yeah, from the video or from the song.
Okay, that I want to relive.
Yeah.
I'm thinking hard on this one because I want to answer right.
There are a lot of?
There are a lot of, but it would definitely be one of the memories where all those old uncles who are sitting and playing tabla. It was such a cute moment because obviously they were not actual tabla players.
Sweet. Oh.
So all of them were like playing with the tabla and having fun. So because also I felt that for them they're being a part of the music video, so they must be so excited.
Yeah.
And they were acting so cute. It's not, and I'm just watching them. I was like, कितने cute लग रहे हैं uncle लोग सारे.
और ऐसा होता है ना कि उनसे आप भी cheer up हो जाते हो. That was the moment.
So they're like doing like offbeat also. They're like playing like this. I was like so cute.
So cute actually. But अगर पापी से मुझे ये सवाल आपसे पूछना था कि म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में what's that पापी thing that you want to change?
Music industry में the papi thing that I want to change is ta-da. I'm thinking I feel okay, so the papi thing that I want to change is trolling. I feel it can be very harsh sometimes and it can be really bad for any artist. I've seen so many people getting trolled on social media these days, and I think that's one pap that
should change.
Of course, it's a pap.
It is.
How badly you can affect somebody's life, you don't even know by just writing one or two lines on internet just because you're sitting idle. No. That's
No,
a pop.
That's really not fair.
Yeah.
That's a valid reason and response. But are you in touch with Badshah?
Yes.
Really, like when I was reading like your articles, there are a lot of Badshah के mentions. Like what advice जो उन्होंने आपको दी थी that is actually working for you?
What advice तो मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. I think he gave me the vision where I am right now and where I will be in future, or where I have to be. I think that this is where I am right now is because of him, because he gave me the courage to dream.
Yes.
He gave me the strength to believe in myself. He got the fear out of my system that तू कर सकती है भाई. You can do it. You can achieve anything. And I can see you becoming one of the biggest pop stars of India. How can you
sweet.
not see it? So that is something which will always stay in my heart, in my system, in my mind. जैसे मैं low feel करती हूँ, मेरे को if I feel that something is not going right in my career, that is something that comes back and I again get motivated.
So true.
So, yeah.
And dreams से याद आया कि dreams actually come true.
They do.
And जो आपने Cannes में debut किया, congratulations
Thank
for
you,
that
thank
again.
you.
It was so good. लगा नहीं था कि आपका पहली बार है. You're like, okay, I'm
Slay
at
girl.
Cannes, slay girl, and that went so good. You were looking perfect in that.
Thank
Tell
you.
me what was that unexpected thing कि हाँ ये memory बन गई मेरी, ये मेरा पहला Cannes debut है.
So memory तो क्या ये, there was a lot of bhasar that went behind being on that red carpet, because I had not done any trials. I
Yeah.
had not seen any outfits. I just went for it. And one day before
Wow.
everything, I had my trials. But thankfully, Lipakshi pulled off such nice looks, and she's the stylist who styled me for the Cannes.
Yeah.
And she got this beautiful piece by Maison Met, and it's a it's a Indonesian designer, but set up in France.
Oh,
So
mix up.
yeah, so it was beautiful. Like I absolutely enjoyed wearing that outfit. The only memory that I feel is going to stay for sure as my Cannes debut would be they had closed all the roads
अच्छा.
to reach the red carpet.
Okay.
And the cars that were, because it was my first, so I
Of
had
course,
no
like,
idea, and my
yeah.
team was also new, so we had no idea that we were supposed to book the car beforehand. So हमने सोचा, we thought that we'll probably get the car from the hotel or something, and we did not get the car. Now
What
I
are you
am like
saying?
walking and running in my stilettos and my gown, red carpet gown, towards the red carpet.
Damn.
And
Just like a last moment train.
I know, and it was such a nice chaos. Why? Because रास्ते में ही मुझे validation मिल गया था कि मैं बहुत सही लग रही हूँ. Everyone literally stopped me to take pictures of me.
Wow.
And people are praising, oh my god, you're looking gorgeous. Like even like foreigners and like they're French people and Spanish people, they're all stopping me and they're like trying to take pictures with me. And they're like, oh my god, we love what you're wearing. तो मेरे को रास्ते में इतना
वहीं से ही confidence आ गया.
करने का मजा आ गया, confidence मिल गया मुझे, ये अच्छा हो गया.
ये सही
Blessing in
चीज़ है.
disguise it was.
Amazing. But first, as always, are special. लेकिन वो ही outfit क्यों? Like क्या thinking थी कि मैं इस पे ही जाऊँगी?
It was quirky. It was elegant.
It was giving that.
Yeah, it was
vibe.
stylish. It was my personality also. It was bold. It was a mix of a lot of things that I was looking for in the outfit, and it just felt
Perfectly went
It just
well.
felt Asta Gill on red carpet when I saw it the first time on my body. And I was like, okay, this is it.
Internally किससे बातचीत हुई आपकी?
Internally, as an industry,
in Cannes.
in Cannes, as in.
Like behind the scene, like किस से आप मिले?
So I met Anupam Kher sir at Bharat Pavilion because I went through FICCI. So it was like it's वहाँ पे एक, so हर country का एक pavilion setup होता है वहाँ पे. So Indian pavilion पे when I went through FICCI, I met Anupam Kher sir and a lot of other artists were there, and it was like a proper FICCI team from India. So a lot of Indians in that one room. And
फिर
then
vibe match हो गई.
Yeah, and I got a chance to sing a song for all of them, just like impromptu, just random. So at that time, a lot of India-Pakistan tension was also happening here, and everyone was like, वो था भारत निकल के आ रहा था सबका अंदर से. So I went there and I was like, okay, you have asked me to sing one of my songs, but I would like to sing something for the country. And I was like, I want you guys to join me. And I sang Sare Jahan Se Acha. And everyone was singing with me. It was such a beautiful moment.
Wow.
Like I was overwhelmed that my voice. I was so overwhelmed that my voice started shaking towards the end. I was like, oh my god, my voice is shaking because this is such a beautiful moment. That was nice. I made a reel on that. I'll post it on a day or two.
Looking forward for that reel, of course. लेकिन अब तक मैंने जैसा कि वाइब मैच कहा ना, तो अब तक जितने भी आर्टिस्ट के साथ आपने कोलैब किया है, ऐसा कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है immediately you clicked with, immediately you vibe with कि हाँ, क्या comfortable feel हुआ आपको?
Suki musical doctors, he just got married. Oh my god, I did not even wish him. Woo, bad friend. But Suki musical doctors, I think he's such a nice person. And we worked on 2 songs so far, and both of them were very big in Punjab. And people absolutely loved our chemistry. And
Punjabis, now I get it.
he's a fun person to be around.
Amazing. So, like बॉलीवुड न्यू कमर्स ने, ऐसा मैंने पापी का भी देखा, तो ऐसा कोई बॉलीवुड न्यू कमर में ऐसा जोश लगता है कि he or she can rule the industry in dancing एक ना एक बार.
Oof. Can we talk about Ishan Khattar? What is he doing?
Oh my god.
What has he done in Royal? Oh my god.
Yeah, legit.
Like low-key love, like what? Such a good dancer. But I think he's going to be super big very soon. I feel that.
Yeah. And I saw that reels also. Like I'm only seeing the royals for the plot, and the plot is Ishan Khattar. I mean, okay.
I know. I can feel that.
Okay. One underrated singer that you would love to give him or her huge shout out, who deserves a lot of attention, but he or she is not getting up tak.
Whoa. Well, underrated. I would not call her underrated, but Afsana Khan. I mean, she's not underrated, obviously, but I feel that there is so much more that she deserves, like so much more, because her voice has so much power that I feel that, मतलब underrated नहीं, लेकिन और होना चाहिए. Yeah.
Okay. What's your like collab list में upcoming जो आपका manifestation आप अभी कर रहे हो? If I must ask.
Okay. I've mentioned this earlier, but I am manifesting really hard from quite some time now. A collaboration with Diljit Dosanjh.
I was expecting this. I knew that coming.
I am personally a big fan. I posted a story also a couple of months back कि मम्मा मुझे दिलजीत दोसांझ के साथ collab करना. My mom was like, "ये क्या हो गया इसको?"
Oh my god! Keep this manifestation
Yes,
strong.
sir, 100%.
100%. और उनका Cannes का look भी काफी
Met
viral
Gala.
हुआ था.
Oh my
sorry,
god.
Met Gala. Yes. The way उन्होंने अपने roots को पंजाब के को इतना
मतलब I don't think any Indian has ever done it so beautifully that he has pulled off.
Perfect. And मेरे को एक भी ये सवाल आया था मन में कि शाहरुख खान को एक जर्नलिस्ट रिपोर्टर ने उनका नाम पूछा था, and maybe it is a ritual only there कि सबको अपना नाम बोलना है and then question answer start होगा.
Met Gala में.
Yeah, Met Gala में. लेकिन तभी like शाहरुख खान की फैन बेस इज लाइक वेरी ह्यूज और सब ऑफेंड हो गए थे कि नाम कैसे पूछ लिया, ये कैसे कर लिया, हिम्मत कैसे हो गई जर्नलिस्ट की, बट दे आर लाइक आउट ऑफ कंसर्न निकल रहे हैं. तो आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ कि इट इज नॉट फेयर टू आस्क शाहरुख खान की व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I mean, it is not fair 100%. अगर ये इंडिया में होता तो अभी वो बंदा होता नहीं यहाँ पर.
I know, right?
So, but I think if it's their like if this is how they work and they ask this to every artist, then it's fair. Then it's fair. अगर उन्होंने टॉम क्रूज को भी पूछा है, then it's fair.
Yeah.
But I don't think Shahrukh Khan needs any introduction globally, like at all. फिर तो हम पता नहीं कभी पहुंचेंगे आगे.
Okay. एक ऐसा सॉन्ग जो आपकी प्लेलिस्ट में ऑन लूप बज रहा है.
अभी तो फिलहाल पापी सुन रही हूँ मैं.
पता ही था आप यही बोलोगे.
Because वही चल रहा है अभी, पहले मिक्स मास्टर सब रेडी करने के लिए, तो वो लूप we have to keep listening to the song so that no wrong thing goes out.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, one celebrity you would love to do a heartbreak collab.
Arijit Singh. 100%. Or Vishal Mishra. Oh my god.
Oh yes.
Maybe Vishal
Yes,
Mishra.
talk
Oh
about
my
that.
God. Two. Any. कोई भी कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
दोनों के साथ कर लो, मैं
दोनों
तो
के साथ
बोलती हूँ.
कर ले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Lastly, एक guilty beats rapid fire कर लेते हैं. Ever ghosted a music producer or turned down a collab after saying yes?
Must have.
Okay.
Sounds like me.
लेकिन मैं नाम नहीं पूछूंगी, बट
Yeah.
लेकिन व्हाट्स योर रीजन, जेन्युइन रीजन जो आपको वैलिड नहीं लगता या फिर आपके वैल्यूज मैच नहीं करते?
हाँ मतलब there was no clarification in the communication before we started working on the thing, and I recorded also the song, and then later on I got to know that it was for some other project,
ओह,
Yeah, so-
क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं.
and then they try to like buy me off, कि no, take money but let it go. I was like,
Oh.
no, money is not the concern. I don't want to do it.
Good job.
Yeah.
Perfect. Have you ever faked vibing to someone else's track just to avoid drama?
Everyone does that. That's normal.
That's normal. Okay. Biggest lie you have told in an interview?
ये एक बार ही बोला मैंने when I was dating already somebody, but
Yeah.
at that time someone asked, what's your relationship status? I was like,
Single.
I'm only committed to my work. And then मन में मैं करता था, हे भगवान झूठ बोल दिया. पापी.
So what's your relationship status?
Oh shit! Single. Right now, currently, definitely single.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready to mingle?
100% yeah. 100%.
Ever had a fight in the studio over lyrics or credits?
Not credit for sure, because that was never a problem in my case. For lyrics, not fight, disagreement yes, but then
Solve हो ही जाता
हो ही जाता है वो. हाँ हाँ हो जाता है.
One verse you wrote that came straight from your heart, from your heartbreak, no filter.
One verse that I wrote
जो दिल से निकला है.
है, but I can't sing because it's an unreleased song. But it's a beautiful song.
It is.
And it came right from here. Soon it's gonna be out. I'll let you know for sure.
Okay then. Okay. Abhi, pick up your beat quickly, okay? Underground bars or mainstream stage?
Mainstream stage.
Okay. Autotune magic or raw vocals?
Raw vocals.
Romantic track or heartbreak banger?
Heartbreak banger.
Fame without fans or fans without fame?
Fans without fame कैसे होंगे? वो तो हो ही नहीं सकते. None.
Okay.
Not applicable.
Minus.
Minus.
Music that trends or music that hits souls?
I think hit souls. Yeah.
Okay, lastly, relationship में तो red flags, green flags होते ही हैं, but स्टूडियो में आपका कौन सा रेड फ्लैग है और कौन सा ग्रीन फ्लैग है इन स्टूडियो while prepping or music in general?
Okay, in studio, my major red flag is I don't like compact spaces when I'm singing. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि it has to be like and good vibes and free space.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा. So just that. मतलब जैसे वो एक कमरे में भी कई लोग बनाते हैं और उसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, काफ़ी सारे आपको इक्विपमेंट दिखेंगे, तो वो मेरी वाइब वहीं की लग जाती है. मैं कहती हूँ मैं तो नहीं कर सकती ब्रो यहाँ पे डब, मेरे को
Obviously comfort तो
yeah,
पहले
yeah,
है.
yeah. So that is one big red flag. And for me, green flag is a good engineer. I feel, yeah, a good
Okay.
engineer who's sitting,
Machines.
yeah, who's sitting on the machine, the guy. So
Yeah,
a studio that has a good engineer who can record, a good recordist. So yeah.
Agreed. अभी लास्टली मैं एक नाम लूंगी और आपको उनके लिए एक वर्स गाना है या तो फिर एक छोटा सा लिरिक्स. ओके, देयर ओनली 5 नेम्स. ओके, शाहरुख खान.
शाहरुख खान. तेरा बस मुझे जीने ना दे, जीने ना दे, तेरा बस मुझे जीने ना दे.
ओके, राखी सावंत.
I love Rakhi Sawant, yaar. I love Rakhi Sawant.
I know.
Uy, amma, मैं तुम्हारे के I know, sorry, I don't know the lyrics of this song.
I
छुई
know.
मुई से हिरनिया. Sorry.
Perfect.
But yeah, Rakhi Sawant is the, I think
Full on relatable reels.
she's the best.
Yeah. ईशान खट्टर.
ओहो, बस वाला गाना यहाँ लगाना था. गलत जगह लगा दिए क्या? Okay. पापी पापी दिल को मैं रोक न पाई, पापी पापी दिल तेरा तोड़ न पाई, पापी पापी.
Amazing.
Yeah.
सलमान खान.
सलमान खान स्वाग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. Because I can relate to
Yeah.
this swag से
This
स्वागत.
is actually swag से
Yeah,
स्वागत ही
yeah,
होता है उनका
100%.
जब भी वो जाते हैं.
100%.
Lastly दिलजीत दोसांझ.
Okay. वाइब तेरी मेरी मिल दिया, वाइब तेरी मेरी मिल दिया.
कर लो कोलैब नेक्स्ट डे होगा. Perfect. Asta, you're so sweet. Thank you
you.
so much for doing this.
Thank
May
you,
you
thank
glow,
you.
may you grow. Thank you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Asta Gill and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.